different. Obviously spring that you can pull down and it's pushing on the spring.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can push compress the fork and the damper rod will come out and not have to take the whole
Foot off.
foot off. So this is where the spring seats. Is good. Press this if you push it out. And there you got a shim stack full of grease. Very clever.
Okay.
So if you put too much oil in here,
Right.
what we drained out was 150, I've probably gone to 160. So by rights, when you compress this must be fully extended when you put the
oil
compression
in.
stack in there.
Okay.
And then by rights, when you compress, when you push that with this all done up, it should blow the excess out of that hole there.
Right, and that will set it to the correct level.
Yeah.
So in fact,
There's too much oil in here. Make sure this is tight so it doesn't. That's tight. Now for the test. See if it blows the excess out. See that?
there she blows.
That's what those are going to slot into there.
Oh, yes, okay.
Right. I'm not supposed to steal the rag. See that stop
Okay.
there, there's a gap there. Now you'll bring that back and lock up.
And lock it up there. Well, more than a nip, I guess.
Now that is very tight.
And how much do you need it? Not as tight?
No, I just got to nip it up so it can't come loose.
Okay.
O-ring still there, all's good. You could use the air ratchet,
But not recommended. And that's it,
and then you put the dust rubber
not too
back
much.
on, and it's done.
I mean, obviously,
These ones.
well, all right, Russ, so now we've determined
About 225.
about 225 we're going to go.
Yeah, we lost about 25 more.
Okay, cool. And then, Russ, you say that the outer fork is where you can actually do some fine tuning.
Variations. The bigger the air gap, the softer the fork, which means less oil will give you a bigger air gap, more oil will give you a smaller air gap, and the smaller the gap, the harder the fork.
Right, and does that affect it in a specific stroke, or does it affect it across the range?
The whole range,
Okay.
from beginning to end.
And then it's button up time.
That's it. And then beer drink time.
Beer, yeah, absolutely. It's got to be beer o'clock somewhere in the world.
Okay, there you go. take your
Thank
fork
you,
and
Russ.
fork off.